Hello. Good afternoon all. So all the happy faces I can see, all are looking at me and smiling. I know that the answer is very clear that this is not the first time man is holding the mic. Every now and then, person who is coming in your front, that he is your principal man. Today, as sir said, that we are really very honored that it is just like a dream come true. Today on the stage we got some eminent personality that I have never thought that they will come. Just from the morning I was talking that if they won't come, what will happen? And if they will not be available, how we will manage? And see, it is just like a star detaching from the sky. All of them to whom we have invited, they have reached. Not only they have reached in time. This is really a blessing in disguise. Though I have given the mic, I am standing in front. I am with the progress report of the school for the annual year. Every year the parents are coming, they are picking a single sheet of paper that is the achievement of their student. But today I am standing, the person who is responsible for the school. I am ready to prepare in front of the annual report of the school. There may be some fault, there may be some lacunas, there may be some defects. After all, first of all, I like to thank my parents, those who are present over here. So that dear present parents, teachers, students, and all the dignitaries present here. It is with me a great pleasure that I present to you our annual report for the year of 2024 and 25. Report highlights the achievement, the progress of the Dream India School for the 24th and 25th session. When I will present the annual report, I must not forget the academic achievement of our students. Our students have achieved excellent result in the board exam in past years. While last year also one of our students, Soumya Suman, who has secured near about 92%. I won't forget to tell you, though we are having teachers all are well qualified, though they don't have much experience of CBSE school, but every year they are able to produce the student, those who can able to secure more than 90% of result. In the entrance exam of be it a Odisha Adarsh Vidyalaya, be it a Navodaya Vidyalaya, Dream India always try to get its lion's share. You won't believe. In the last 2 years, our school has secured 13, 14 and 15 seats from Odisha Adarsh Vidyalaya. So I will definitely give this credit to all my students, parents, as well as to our teachers. Our students have regularly participated in different Olympiad exams and secured maximum number of medals with their parents' dedication or the teachers' support. The school has upgraded. In that process, the school always tried to upgrade the students and as well as teachers. In the process, our school, Dream India School, always try to give training to our teachers even in every Saturday for 1 hour. Our teachers are giving training to teach the best method and occupy the best method so that our students will be able to achieve. In the co-curricular activities, when it comes about the co-curricular activities, we must not forget few gems of Dream India School who has bright shine in the sky and prove that Dream India nowhere it is a less than any CBSE affiliated school. Our school student class 8, N. Subhranshu, who has secured first position in the district level painting competition continuously. Our upcoming junior artist Susri Divyanshi of class 2 has started her journey in the painting competition for the first time and she has achieved the award. Shobhansa Priyalakshmi with her delicate movement and the Sobansa Priyalakshmi of Standard 2, who has performed Odissi dance and able to earn with Kolasri Jyoti Award and Nritya Bhaskar Award in Digha and different stages. Swayam Srikha Panda of class 7 is another Odissi star who has secured a lot of results in different fields of dance as well as every mudras and every spin. When it will come about the parents are sitting over here, they will be thinking that madam is saying something that has happened. I am going to say what we have planned and planned for the next. If God wants the next year, again I will be standing here and will be counting some more achievement. For that I have made something different. That our school, Dream India School, has created the parents-friendly environment where each and every one is welcome to share their concern with the teachers, with the office, with the principal, and whenever, wherever 24/7 hour service we have given to the parents. Lot of parents are sitting in my front and thinking that whether madam is telling truth or not, but lot of them know that it is completely true, that whenever, wherever you want, that the teachers are always there to support you. And this year the school has enrolled the parents, those who are dreaming to make their student participate in the Scout and Guide. This year the school has also been certified with Scout and Guide. Get the chance. The student, those who want to participate in Scout and Guide, this year they will get a chance to participate also. The school, Dream India School, which is near about 10 years school. When we have started that year, we have only 12, maybe some 50 students. Now we have reached
नवंबर 2022 में